In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix checking info problem in your Google Play Store. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you're on any Android phone. It doesn't matter whether it's Android or Samsung, they have the same UI. But let's say your Play Store is having an issue where it's like fix the checking info problem. Let's say you're having that issue. All you want to do is go to your settings. So I'm going to swipe down on the top right. It's going to bring up my control panel. On the top right again, I'm going to see my settings application. So go ahead and click on that. It's going to bring up this area right here. All I want to do is scroll down until I find apps. Then when I'm in apps, all I got to do is scroll down again until I find my Play Store. So all I got to do is go ahead and go to G for my Google Play Store. But for some reason, if you can't find it for whatever reason, you can also go to search and then just type in play, and then Google Play Store is going to be right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. Now, what you want to do on the bottom right, you're going to see force stop. Firstly, go ahead and do that. It says it may cause errors, but just go ahead and do it and then try and, see if the problem still persists. If it still happens, what you want to do is scroll down while you're still in app info, go to storage. Now from here, all you want to do on the bottom right, you want to clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, try and open up Play Store again and your problem should be fixed. But if it's still not working, what you can do is clear data on the bottom left. But once you do that, you're going to have to sign into your Google account again. It's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.